Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix fail to verify username Minecraft server on Aternos. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Aternos. Open the first website and you will be redirected to the home page. And you can see that my server is running perfectly. Now click on the pen icon at the top and make sure that the crack toggle is turned on. If it isn't, turn it on and then restart your server. After the server restarts successfully, your problem will be solved. And that's how you can fix fail to verify username Minecraft server on Aternos. Hope you liked the video. Thanks!